How to create ads with NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the NanoBanana.ai website, then log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on Start Editing from the home page to access the AI tools. Next, choose whether you want to create an ad using image edit or text to image. If you already have visuals or brand assets, upload them by clicking on the Add Image button. You can also start from scratch using text prompts to generate unique visuals for your ads. After uploading your image, use the main prompt section to describe how you want your ad to look. For example, you can include details about colors, styles, text overlays, or any branding elements you want to appear in your ad. Then click on Generate Now and wait for the AI to process your request. Once your ad visuals are ready, you can enhance them with filters, effects, or text overlays using NanoBanana.ai's editing tools. Make sure your final ad aligns with your campaign goals and brand identity. Finally, download your ad and use it across your marketing channels, including social media, websites, and email campaigns. NanoBanana.ai makes it quick and easy to produce professional-looking ads without needing advanced design skills. Now you know how to create ads with NanoBanana.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.